Here we are going to discuss three parts, 3 points. First one is half power point frequency, second one is bandwidth, and third one is quality factor. Okay. Now, in very simple words, the frequencies omega 1 and omega 2, corresponding to which the current in the circuit, LCR series circuit, is 1 upon under root 2 times of the maximum current, that is half power point frequencies. Now why we are saying half power point frequencies? As we know, the maximum power over here will be given by I square maximum into R. Now at half power point frequencies, when omega 1 and omega 2 are taken as half power point frequencies, instead of expression of current I, we will write I maximum upon under root 2. Okay. So in that situation, this power consumption will be I square R. Now if I substitute the value of I here, this will be square of the maximum current into resistance upon 2. So now you can say this is the half of the maximum power. That's why the name of these two frequencies is given half power point frequencies. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now second thing, we are going to define now bandwidth. Okay. Now what is the bandwidth actually? See, the difference of half power point frequencies omega 2 minus omega 1, that is what bandwidth. Okay. And the formula of the bandwidth, that is in general R by L. Okay. What is that? R by L. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now in the next slide we will derive the expression of this R by L bandwidth. Now next thing, we want to define the quality factor. Now what is quality factor? Inductance. Now what is quality factor? The quality factor is the ratio of inductive reactance to resistance, or ratio of capacitive reactance to resistance. Okay. Or you can say omega L upon R, or you can say 1 upon omega C R. This is quality factor. Now what does it show? It shows the sharpness of the resonance. Quality factor Q, that shows sharpness of the resonance. Now here one more formula we can write for the quality factor. See what we have written: omega, that is equal to 1 upon under root LC. Okay. So if I write this Q, that as omega into L upon R. Now substitute the value of omega. It will be 1 upon R. The value of omega is 1 upon under root LC and into L. So root L times will be cancelled. So it will be 1 upon R under root of L by C. This is quality factor. You can see quality factor is inversely proportional to resonance. Okay, it means if Q1 is greater than Q2 for two different resonating LCR circuit, then definitely the R1 will have less value as compared to R2, and the current in the first case will be more as compared to second case.